Hi guys, I'm Lakshya and I'm back again with the 8th question of mensuration exercise 10.2 nostalgia method. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. As shown in this figure, if the height of cylinder is 10 cm and its radius of the base is of 3.5 cm, then find the total surface area of the article. Now the question here is, you have an article. So you have a wooden article. Let this be a wooden article. Now this wooden article is made is in a shape of a cylinder shaped one with a where you have a hemispheres were being scooping out. So here hemispheres were being scooping out. You have scoops, right? So scoop will be in a form of hemisphere. So where in a given cylinder on two ends. So in a given cylinder where, let me select, okay, from each of the ends. So from each of the end scoops were removed. So here you have a hemisphere which formed. Okay. Now the question is, if the height of the cylinder, so this height of this given cylinder, let me draw like the height of this given cylinder is 10 centimeters, then the radius of the base, so radius of this cylinder is 3.5 centimeter. If the height is 10 centimeter and the radius is 3.5 centimeter, then find the total surface area of the article. So the question is, we must find the total surface area of the article. Now, so to find this, let's find the total surface area of this given solid. Okay. Now to find this, let me solve like solution. So this is the question, guys. As you you got it. So now here to find the total surface area, TSA. Let me write down like TSA instead of total surface area. So total surface area of article equals to curved surface area. Let me take like CSA, right? So curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. So yeah, I am using 2 into because I have 2 hemispheres over there. If you look into this given shape, you have a cylinder, if you look like this, and a hemisphere which are scooped inside the hemisphere, scooped inside the given cylinder, right? So here I can say like to find the total surface area of the article. So to find this, we should add like curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. So I am using 2 because I have 2 hemispheres. So 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. Now here, let's write down the given data where height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters, right? Height of cylinder equals to what? 10 centimeters, right? And what? You have radius, where radius means R, right? So radius, not diameter, guys, so radius, right? So radius will be half of the diameter. So radius equals to 3.5 centimeters. So radius equals to 3.5 centimeters. Then, so here you have radius for cylinder equals 3.5 centimeters. Then where the base, so here you can take radius for hemisphere and cylinder where base of hemisphere and cylinder are common. Okay. Now just take like radius equals to 3.5. Now here you have a formula for curved surface area of cylinder, right? Where CSA of cylinder formula will be, right? What? Curved surface area of a cylinder formula is cylinder equals to 2 pi RH. Right, guys? As you know, formula 2 pi RH. So let me substitute over here the formula with 2 pi RH. So here 2 into pi value, okay, let's consider this as 22 by 7 as they haven't given any value to use pi as this. Okay, so let's use pi as 22 by 7 into where R means radius, right? So radius equals to 3.5. Let me write down like 3.5 into height, h value equals to what? 10 centimeters. So 10, let it be 10. Now here multiply, so just multiply all the values and divide it. So here we get like 2 into 3.5 firstly. 2 into 3.5 gives 7. Okay, 7 into 10. 7 tens, 70, right? So we got 70. Now 70 over here. 70 into 22 by 7. 70 into 22 by 7. This gives what here is where 7 into 22 firstly. Okay, 7 into 22 gives what? 154. 14 plus 14. Okay, this gives 154. 154. 0 over here. Let me add 0. 1540 divided by 7. Okay, 1540 divided by 7. Now here 7 1 7. 7 2s 14, right? So 15 minus 14 1 over here. So let me add 14 over here. So this gives 220. Right? 220. Therefore, the curved surface area of the cylinder equals to 220 centimeters square. Let me write down like 220 centimeters square. Where you have R value as centimeter into centimeter square. So I can write like 220 centimeter square. So curved surface area of hemisphere equals to, let me write down like 220 centimeters square over here of CSA of what? Cylinder, right? So CSA of cylinder. Let's keep this aside and we must add at last while finding this curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. After finding this, let's add these both values. So just keep this aside. Now here you have curved surface area of hemisphere. Now find the CS of hemisphere, guys. So okay. To find the CSA of hemisphere, now to find CSA, curved surface area of hemisphere, let me write it like, the formula will be 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square, okay? Curved surface area of hemisphere equals 2 pi r square. So r value 3.5 centimeters, right? So I got r value, 2 value, pi value. Now here just substitute these values over here, where 2 into pi value equals to 22 by 7 into r value. R means 3.5, right? So 3.5 into 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5. So 3.5 into 3.5, firstly let's multiply these both values in decimal forms. Like here 3.5 into 3.5 gives what? 12.25. Okay. So 12.25 into 2. So just consider like where 12.25. So just forward decimal, just you won't consider decimal point while multiplying any number. So then let's just multiply 1225 into 2. Okay. 1225 into 2. So this gives what? 2 5 10. 0 over here 1. 2 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. Now here 2 2 4. 2 1s 2. Now here you have decimal point after 2 digits, right? So add decimal point after 2 digits. So here 0 5, here we get like decimal point over here. So 24.50 will be the answer. So I can write like where 12 into 2 equals to 24.5. Done. 24.5. Now here, okay. Now here what to do is now 24.5 into 22 by 7. Okay, 24.5 into 22 by 7. So this gives what is, well, 24.5 into 22. This gives 539. Okay, 539. 539 divided by 7. Where 7 1 7. Okay, 7 1 7 and 7 7 is 49, right? So 53 minus 49 gives 4. So 49 again. So this gives 77. This gives 77. So I can write like 77 centimeters square again. Now here I got what? Where hemisphere. The curved surface area of hemisphere is 77 centimeters square. Now what to do? Here we must multiply so curved surface area of hemisphere into 2, right? So now 77 into 2. Just multiply over here where curved surface area of hemisphere is what? 77, right? So 77 154, right? So I got what? Where CSA of hemisphere, curved surface area of cylinder equals to 220 centimeters square, and 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere equals to 154 centimeter square, right? So 77 centimeter square is the area of curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, just hemisphere, but not for 2 into hemisphere. Now here we got what? 154 centimeter square. Now here, what to do is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere gives the total surface area of the article, right? So now here, add these both values where, let me add over here, where 220 plus 154. So this gives what? 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1. So this gives what? 274 centimeter square. Therefore, I can conclude over here, I can conclude like the total surface area of the article is what? 374 centimeters. Okay, this will be the final answer for the given question. Thank you.